Hello everyone! So if you are watching this video, you're watching a tutorial on how to sign up or get into your Greek Life EDU account. So the first page that you're going to want to find is the deltazeta.org, and it will bring you to this page here. As you can see, I already have our username and password typed in. These are the usernames and passwords that you made while creating your Delta Zeta account a few tutorials back. From then, you'll press sign in. And this is the front page that you'll find every time that you log into the Delta Zeta account. It has some really cool things that you can add to your front page, like you can rate or tap hearts to show what you love about one of your sisters. You can also add things to your favorite pages. So let's say you really enjoyed learning about wellness. You can tap this little heart over here, go back to your main page, and you've now populated, where'd it go? Your favorites. Protect your wellness show. Then, as you get closer here to the bottom, you see a very, very important toolbar. And you're going to go ahead and click on Me. And you're going to go down. This is a little something different. What you're going to focus on right now is Greek Life EDU. You press Go there. And this page should pop up. This is automatically filled in. As you can see, it gives me the little symbol that says I can't type it in. I went through my menu, looked for New Mexico State University, agreed to the terms, clicked Next, and that is when it took me to this page. So this is just the beginning of the course. You'll press Get Started. And you will probably not get this page. My computer's outdated. But then after that, you'll be taken to part 1 of the lessons, and you'll just have to start with the intro and then go through all of those. But we'll talk more about what happens in Greek Life EDU during our first meeting. Thank you, everyone. Hope this helped.